harmony in every heartbeat still. Whisper dreams on the ocean breeze. We be sailing through the peaceful seas. In the garden of love we groove. Every touch makes the flowers bloom. Unity in the sweetest tune, shining bright under the silver moon. In the garden of love we groove. Every touch makes the flowers bloom. Unity in the sweetest tune, shining bright under the silver moon. Peace and love, hold us tight, hold us tight. Through the dark and stormy night, dark and stormy night. Hand in hand we rise above, wrapped in the arms of endless love. Walking paths with hearts so sure, in this bond so pure and secure. Every moment we face with grace, love and peace in every embrace. Let's chant for unity in our land. Every soul join hand in hand. Harmony where our spirits roam. Together we'll build a peaceful home. Peace and love, hold us tight, hold us tight. Through the dark and stormy night, dark and stormy night. Hand in hand we rise above, wrapped in the arms of endless love. Peace and love, hold us tight, hold us tight. Through the dark and stormy night, through the dark and stormy night. Hand in hand we rise above, wrapped in the arms of endless love.
sun, we smile bright. Hand in hand we face the light. No more war, no more fight. Love will guide us through the night. Roots grow deep in Mother Earth. From the pain we find rebirth. Unity in endless worth, spreading love for all it's worth. Peace and love, they're calling out. From the mountains to the shore, together we can end the doubt. Let the heart of kindness roar. carries hope that we found. In our hearts where love is crowned, in unity we are bound. Brother, sister, take my hand. Let's create a promised land, one world where we all can stand, side by side in golden sand. Peace and love, they're calling out, from the mountains to the shore. Together we can end the doubt. Let the heart of kindness roar. Let the heart of kindness roar. Peace and love, they're calling out, from the mountains to the shore. Together we can end the doubt. Let the heart of kindness roar. Peace and love, they're calling out, from the mountains to the shore. Together we can end the doubt. Let the heart of kindness roar. Heart of kindness roar. Let the heart of kindness roar.
Sunshine so divine. Hold my hand, let's realign. Peace and joy, our spirits bind. On the strings of unity, harmony in you and me. Struggle, we'll be free. Just love is our destiny. One heartbeat we unite, in the moons and stars light. Peace and love never out of sight. Together dancing through the night, through the storm and pouring rain. Love will soothe the deepest pain. In your arms I'll always stay, guided on this righteous way. Every sunrise brings us near, melody so crystal clear. We have no fear. Unified we persevere. Oh, one heartbeat we unite, in the moons and stars light. Peace and love never out of sight. Together dancing through the night. Every sunrise brings us near, melody so crystal clear. In the love we have no fear. Unified we persevere. One heartbeat we unite, in the moons and stars light. Peace and love never out of sight. Together dancing through the night.
crystal clear. Mountains rise and the rivers flow. In our hearts the flames they glow. With unity we spread the good, bringing peace to neighborhood. Oh love, 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 we need it so. Unity will make us grow. Together strong through storm we'll be in peaceful harmony. Morning light begins to shine. In your eyes the stars align. Every step we take is gold. Bonds unbreakable unfold. Drumbeat rhythm in the night, holding on with all our might. Our hearts beat like ocean waves in this love that never caves. Oh love, 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 we need it so. Unity will make us grow. Together strong through storm we'll be in peaceful harmony. Oh, be with me. We need it so. Unity will make us grow. Together strong through storm we'll be in peaceful harmony.